If reading long research papers feels impossible sometimes, this AI tool might save you hours every single week. Today I'm showing you how to use SciSummary, one of the most popular AI research paper summarizers in 2026. And honestly, this tool is becoming a favorite for students, researchers, and even PhD users who are tired of spending hours trying to understand complicated academic papers. SciSummary is designed specifically for scientific research papers, which already makes it different from normal AI chatbots. Instead of giving you one short generic paragraph, it breaks papers into organized sections like abstract, methods, results, discussion, and conclusion, so you can actually understand what the study is saying much faster. According to the platform, hundreds of thousands of researchers are already using it to summarize millions of papers, and the company says it works with academic institutions and research libraries as well. Using the tool is actually very simple. Once you open the website, you can upload a research paper PDF directly into the platform. After a few seconds, the AI generates a structured summary of the paper. One thing users really seem to like is that you can chat with the paper itself, so if there's a complicated chart, statistic, or confusing section, you can ask questions in plain English and get easier explanations instantly. Another useful feature is the ability to compare multiple research papers together, which can help a lot during literature reviews or thesis research. Some users online also mentioned that the built-in organization system makes it easier to save papers into folders and keep research projects organized, instead of losing track of dozens of PDFs. From the feedback I found online, most users are genuinely impressed with how much time SciSummary saves. Reddit users especially mentioned that the summaries feel more structured and academic compared to normal AI tools that often give vague summaries without preserving the actual study format. Several people said they use it to quickly decide whether a paper is worth reading fully before spending hours on it. Others said it helps simplify dense methods and results sections that are usually difficult to understand. But to keep this tutorial honest, there are still some downsides you should know about. A few users said the AI can sometimes miss subtle details or oversimplify certain parts of a study, especially when papers are very technical or highly specialized. Some reviews also mention that certain advanced features are locked behind paid plans, and a few users still prefer alternatives like SciSpace or Notebook LM, depending on their workflow. So while SciSummary is extremely useful for understanding papers faster, it should still be treated as an assistant and not a replacement for actually reading important studies yourself. Overall, though, SciSummary feels like one of the best AI tools for academic research in 2026 because it focuses specifically on scientific literature instead of trying to be a general-purpose AI chatbot. If you regularly read journal articles, research papers, or technical PDFs, this tool can definitely help you save time and stay organized while making difficult papers easier to understand. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the next AI tool you want me to review.